Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have a cool gradient eyeshadow look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I am using my Mary Kay eyeshadows. So for this look, I'm going to start with the eyes. So y'all know I like to switch it up and do different stuff. So today we're doing the eyes first and the foundation last. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I do that, then this is it. So I went on the lid with some concealer, then I went light at the brow bone as always. Now I'm going in the crease area with a brown shade, and I am blending that in with that brow bone light color. Then I'm going to go on the lid and cut the crease. And to cut the crease, I just use some more concealer since I am using gold and bronze colors. Of course, if I was using like a bright color or something, y'all know I would cut the crease with a white eyeshadow base. But because of the nature of the colors, this color concealer was fine. So first I went in with the gold. Then I went in with this beautiful, like kind of golden bronzy shade. And then the next shade was like a deeper bronze. Of course, you can do this with all kind of colors. I did a rainbow look with this technique before. I've done white into like a light blue into a dark blue before. So I really love the whole gradient eyeshadow look. So in the outer V, I went in with some dark brown to tie in that crease color, and this is kind of like the final color of the gradient. Now I'm going in with some of my Itz Sirap glitter, and I'm going to do a gold glitter line, and I'm using lash glue to do this. And I started with that brush, but I switched to something thinner so that I can really get the glitter right where I wanted it to be. And this is what the gold glitter line was looking like. And I went ahead and did the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and this is the bronze number 1 and the bronze number 3 foundation by Mary Kay. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face and then blend it all in. And I'm using my kabuki brush, and these are on sale on my website, so y'all be sure to check that out. It's in the description bar. And right now for the month of November, I am having a huge sale on my glitters, my lashes, my products, my makeup brushes, everything. So make sure y'all check my website out and go ahead and shop. And this is my November 2019 sale. Now I'm going in to highlight with some concealer. And y'all know I like a bright highlight, so I use a lighter foundation in that area, and I use a lighter concealer in that area. Make sure y'all like my Facebook page. It's in the description bar along with all of my Facebook groups. Then I went in and set that concealer. And I put some bronze number 3 powder in all of the other areas. And the brush that I am using is from the BH Cosmetics brush set. If you guys want me to give another one of those away, please put that in the comments so we can do another giveaway. At this point, I went in and did my brows. I like to do my brows after I have powder on my face. They just go on easier. Then I brushed it out and all of that. Then I went in with my blush, contour, and highlight. If y'all are enjoying this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments in the section below and let me know what kind of stuff y'all want to see next. Then I went in with some eyeliner so that I can have something to put my lashes on. And this is the mascara and my lashes. And voila! Lashes on fleek. So I'm going to apply this red Mary Kay lipstick. Got the lips looking A1. Then into the wig for the finished look. Got my jewelry on, everything. Make sure y'all check out my jewelry site. So I love the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out my website to grab some of my glitters and my lashes and everything else that I have over there. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And Itz Sirap.